If you're looking to start out on YouTube, but don't want to reveal how you look, that's okay. You don't have to. Though many successful YouTubers show their faces in their videos, it's in no way a requirement to be successful on the platform. There are loads of channels out there doing well even without revealing their face. And guess what? You can do it too. Here are a few trendy faceless YouTube channel ideas to consider for your channel. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 10. DIY channels. If you've been on the internet over the last couple of decades, then you've definitely heard of these. These channels specialize in showing its viewers how to create different supplies and items themselves, rather than running to the store and buying them. Hence the term, do-it-yourself. There are DIY videos for school supplies, jewelry, toys, home decor items, and much more. So the possibilities for content are endless. A bonus for creating a DIY channel would be that people are always looking to save money by making things themselves rather than buying stuff, so DIY videos are always racking up lots of views. For these types of videos, the creators' faces are usually kept hidden, since the focus is on what they're making throughout the runtime. So, if you're crafty and creative, you can try starting your own DIY channel today. Number 9. Meditation. In this busy and bustling world, anxiety and stress have become the norm for a lot of people. Of course, no one likes being in these tense states, so people are always trying to relax. Hence, why meditation channels have become quite popular in recent times. If you've ever seen a meditation video, then you must have realized that it usually switches between calming images or features a single picture of calming scenery, while relaxing audio plays over it. Some of them give instructions on how to take deep breaths and relax the body and mind, while others are just sounds of birds chirping and wind rustling through trees. No facial revelation required whatsoever. Channels like these are able to become successful through providing relaxing content for anxious people without showing their faces. The channel known as Meditation and Healing is a great example of this, with its 1.43 million subscribers. So, it might be wise to try this idea out. Number 8. List channels. These channels are popular because people just like knowing what's considered extreme among various subjects. You've probably seen videos like Top 10 Biggest Cars and Top 10 Rarest Dog Breeds on YouTube and may have noticed that they get quite a bit of views. And if you've watched these videos, you must have realized that they're able to make their content interesting by only showcasing pictures of the items on their list that they're referring to at a given moment. Channels such as Top 5 Best are some of which have mastered this art and have been able to gain a very large following without showing what they look like. So, if you're good at coming up with interesting lists, then this idea might be for you. Number 7. Relaxing music. This idea is kind of like the meditation channel, only that the music featured here doesn't have to be the type that people use to meditate. Have you ever heard of lofi hip-hop beats? If not, then try searching for this into YouTube and look at the amount of videos that pop up. These beats have become overwhelmingly popular recently, and hour-long videos where they play over an animation on loop or a single picture are known to do tremendously well on YouTube. Your channel can also showcase videos with titles like Relaxing Music to Study To or Calming Music to Help with Sleep. Lofi isn't the only option, and there are lots of songs to choose from to play on your channel videos. When people search up these songs, they sometimes let them play as background noise, allowing other videos to run right after them once one ends. This gives most creators in this niche a channel to thrive, since their videos just automatically get played after one creator's is through. This idea can be extremely worth it if you do a bit of research on how to execute such videos well. Don't hesitate to try it out. Number 6. Psychology channels. Nowadays, lots of people are becoming extremely aware of their mental health and human psychology as a whole, so this idea can be pretty worthwhile if you try it out. Psychology videos can range from educational to inspiring and to intriguing and informative. Channels like Brainy Dose are making it big just by posting videos about signs of personality types and traits practiced by different types of people. In these videos, they keep their identity hidden by making use of stock images and footage rather than revealing what they look like, while these pictures move across the screen and audio plays in the background with the content being read. So again, no face reveal required. And for all the video ideas mentioned, it's easy to get these free pictures by using a site called Pexels, which offers free images for all. You can also edit your videos using Canva, so try it out. Number 5. Positive affirmation channels. Loads of people listen to positive affirmations in the morning to get their day started on the right foot, so starting a channel like this would be perfect. Positive affirmation channels mainly need the audio of your voice or someone else's voice calling out positive sentences for your viewers to repeat, so they can put themselves in a positive frame of mind and hopefully change their perspective on life gradually. For your imagery, you can showcase footage of calming scenery just like if you'd be making a meditation channel. Meditation channels and positive affirmation channels can overlap, but it wouldn't hurt to focus on one or the other. There are plenty of things you can come up with to say that can help to uplift people in the morning, during work, or at night before they go to sleep. The possibilities are endless, and again, you won't have to show yourself at all. Number 4. Luxury. Luxury channels can be pretty fascinating to viewers. People enjoy admiring the value that money can buy, and the extents to which it can be spent, so this channel idea is a good one to consider. Channels like Mr. Luxury have never revealed what they look like, and that's because their videos feature images of different luxury items they speak of in their scripts. On this channel, you may see video titles like "The Most Expensive Weapon Ever Built" and "The Most Expensive Hotel Room in the World." What they do throughout these videos is just talk about what they've referenced in their title. Some channels also showcase the lavish lives of wealthy people, so that's also a great idea to include in your luxury channel. Number 3. Life hacks. This idea is kind of like the DIY channel idea and equally as popular in today's age. You've probably seen tons of these before and know that people just eat them up. These videos are usually about quick things people can do to solve everyday problems that are seen as difficult or complicated to handle. The videos always focus on the actions that need to take place so that the issue can be resolved. Channels that do this have no need to show their faces, so neither will you. Number 2. Health. A YouTube channel centered around health would be an excellent idea with the way that good health has become increasingly desirable among people in recent years. There are plenty of health gurus on YouTube giving tips on how to make healthy meals and how to stay fit, and many of them showcase what they look like. But that doesn't mean you have to as well. Your health video titles can range from healthy breakfast ideas to the top most nutritious nuts, and none of these would require you to reveal your identity. Just stick to following the method of using your voice or music as audio in the background, while relevant images show on screen. Videos like Top 10 Healthiest Foods in the World by Facts at Web are a great example of this. No face shown, just pictures and audio. This video managed to gain over 1 million views, so these types of videos can be just as popular as those that feature a face. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Animal channels. The pet niche has only grown in recent times, and with it, animal channels as a whole have become quite popular. If you have a cute pet that does silly and funny things, then now might be a good time to let the world see what it can do. Giving your pet their own channel can pave the way for plenty of cute video ideas featuring your pet doing silly things that other pet lovers will definitely find amusing. Be sure to title your videos with language that pet owners are known for using to really grab their attention. And since this channel will be for your pet, there'd be absolutely no need for you to be shown in the videos. Not having a pet won't be too much of a problem either, since the range of animal video content is wide. Your channel could be a dog channel that gives dog facts and tips on how to best take care of your dog. It could even be about facts on all animals, where you feature images of different animals all over the world and give loads of information on them. The list video format can also work well with this if you're willing to research the top biggest dog breeds, or the most dangerous animals, or even the top cutest animals that are illegal to keep as pets in certain countries. These are all ideas for videos you can try if you're interested in this niche. Make sure to check out the next video for the best low competition faceless channel ideas. See you there.